red, yellow, green, lowercase, yellow, green. All right. You could give yourself a big happy face for doing that page. Now, here are some different sounds. The cow goes moo. The dog goes orf, orf, orf. So your child might already know those sounds. Circle the animal that goes orf, orf, orf. A hammer goes. A saw goes zzz, 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 zzz. Circle this is a carpenter instrument tool. Circle the tool that goes. That's called a hammer. Hammer and a saw. So we're helping the child learn sounds. You know what a washing machine sounds like? Whoosh, 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 whoosh. What does a vacuum sound like? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Let's circle the vacuum sound. Vroom, vroom. Now, there's two sounds of transportation. We have the train. It's really fast. Sometimes you just hear it on the rail. And then we have the jet. Sometimes we'll just hear the jet in the sky. Let's circle the jet in the sky. So I should have written down. So just so you know, I have instructions that I'm giving you, but the books have some instructions here. What do they want me? On page 11, they want me to draw the sound of a cat. So a kitty cat goes meow, meow. So let's draw a little kitty cat. I'm not the best little drawer. I'm going to put little ears, little nose. There's my little kitty cat. Meow, meow. Okay. That's the cactus, page 11. And cactus starts with K. So here we have two pictures in a frame. A dog and a cat. Which picture starts with K? Here we have a candle and a light bulb. Which picture starts with K? Here we have a comb and a brush. Both of them are for your hair. Which picture starts with K? Here we have some clothes. We have pants and we have a coat. Which picture starts with K? Here we have some dishes, a cup and a saucer. Which dish starts with K? Then we have things related to photo. We have a camera and a photo. Which picture starts with K? Camera. I didn't mention this. Both of these give light. The candle and the bulb both give light. And these animals are pets. And there's lots of dogs that like to chase the cats. Good job. So now we're going to turn it around. Look at all these little kitties. This is a kitty with a red bow. This is a kitty playing with yarn. This is a kitty taking a nap on a rug. This is a kitty with a fluffy tail. These are two cats. And this is a kitty eating. So I want you to circle the cat playing with the yarn. Circle the picture of the cat sleeping on the carpet. Circle the picture of the two kitties. Two cats right here. Good job. So here we have our corn husks that are going to go to our project. So I want you to show your child how to first cut the whole piece off. And then turn it over. We're going to get our crayon and make a lot of little C's. I'm going to get brown. Well, you know what? Well, yellow might not be clear. C, C, C. If I make a lot of C's, it looks like corn, doesn't it? Can you see that?